morning. A lot of fun things are happening these days because you know house has been moved into and my sister's wedding is coming up, and I don't know, it's just seeming like it's going to be a fun day because we have Sangeet practice and I have a fitting right now, so I thought why not just take you guys through my day. Let's get ready. Excited for the day that's ahead of me, but I'm also a little late, so I don't know why I'm being so laid back. I actually hate being late. Fun fact, I'm almost never late. We're ready and going into the lift because we are late and I hate being late. Okay. Wearing a cute outfit. They told me specifically to wear light colors and nothing that's too loose, so I hope this is fine. I'm on my way. It's like a 30-minute ETA. Carrying my heels too to help with measurement. I did the fitting and I forgot to vlog it. And I'm walking out in my heels because they took my measurements in my heels and I forgot to take off my heels also. But guys, I think I had the most fabulous time with so Dilnaz, the designer, was right there. It's her place. She was literally the sweetest, most humble, most amazing person I've ever met in my whole life. Like, I actually loved her. I loved her energy. Of course, in this whole like sourcing process, we've had to interact with a few designers. Some have obviously been better than the others. This woman, however, is a woman who just genuinely loves the arts and the crafts. And I'm so grateful I met her. Honestly, it's made my whole day. Like, I woke up in an okay mood, but now I'm in such a good mood because it's just so nice. She's got like really sexy stuff and like really cute stuff, like very young, playful stuff. Her designs are gorgeous, so I'm gonna like, this is not like, I know some people think, oh, you're being paid to do. No, like, she's genuinely just love her energy. So now I'm headed to Dakshinayana for lunch because I was like, if I might as well on this side, Bombay, might as well. And I'm eating puri idli, my fave. It's so good. And they give it with these chutneys. I'm sure you guys know, but they give it with these chutneys that are so good. This ginger ale is one of the best ginger ales I've ever had in my whole life. It's so good. It's like fresh. It's like bubbling so much. Bango. What the hell? What the helly? What the heliante? What the helly are? What the helly on, James? I got picked up from Dakshinayana and now I'm going home. I think I need to take a fat nap after the meal I've had. I also forgot to show you guys that I also had neer dosa, Mysore dosa, and curd rice. And now I just like, my eyes are shutting. My food has reached here. I'm so full, but that's such a good meal. I fell asleep for like an hour and then I woke up and then I did some like stuff with Ariki where we had to just order shit for the house and and you want to see something cool? Alexa, lights on. Crazy. Alexa, okay, turn the big lamp on.
Sorry, big lamp isn't responding.
Okay, whatever, this happens sometimes. It's not perfect. But you are. Yeah, she's too good.
Like, the bean sabji was
So good. Yeah,
I was like,
I
what
was
the
like, dude, the
hell?
bean sabji is actually like, I've never enjoyed eating beans. Me eating in front of the mirror and then I'm gonna get ready. It's not your regular Sangeet practice. It's in our friend Ayushi's house, who decided she wanted to host Sangeet practice today because she wanted to do like a little thing with the girls. And for some reason, I just wanted to wear my pink suit, hence the dressing up. I thought it would be nice to look a bit cute since she's doing it for us. I'm late again. Guys, usually I'm not late. I don't know what it is today. I'm just so tired and lazy. I think I just woke up too lazy today. Like, there's no other explanation except for the fact that I woke up lazy. I'm not gonna go too extra with it because actually I don't even think I should wear concealer because this is just like a fun, like, girly event. I'm just gonna put some lip tint on my some lip and cheek tint on my cheeks, and I'm using the one from ELF in the shade Cherry Cola. She my cherry cola, she gon' keep me sober. Just blend. The thing with tints is that you gotta blend them really fast, and sometimes they tend to look a little bit uneven. And I'm just really excited because all the wedding stuff is starting. Like, of course, Sangeet practice and all is so much fun, but the wedding is so close. I'm using the Stila Cosmetics cream blush in Petunia just to like add a little more of a flush, and that is really strong. We'll just top it off with a little bit of my lip glow butter from Dior in the shade 103 Toffee. This is my everyday. I just wear this every day. Okay, this is the whole look. And I'm gonna wear these pink cola puris. Let's go. I'm literally stuck in traffic. I left my house like 40 minutes ago, and I'm still 30 minutes away. Gang, I finally reached 1 hour 20 minutes later, and now we are doing Sangeet practice at Ayushi's house. Ayushi, tell them what you've just given me.
I've given you a little badge that says Team Bride.
It's
and
so
Praja
cute.
is wearing one as well.
Even Praja is wearing. Let's see it. This is the groom. Show.
He's also Team Bride.
This is
Roommate.
this is my nemesis for these dances.
That's why you wore no Indian clothes today.
You keep quiet. This is Ritika. This is Ashna. She has the most patience in the world. As she's Ashna ma'am. No, to me she's Shnee.
Shnee. What's Shnee?
My nickname for her.
That's you know what my
Because
new
she's
nickname for
teaching us the
Priyal is?
dances.
You want my new nickname?
And look at this.
Name for Priyal is what is on my head? Bride. Oh, my new nickname for Priyal is Akhand. Akhand Saubhagya. She's Akhand.
Crazy.
Akhand Saubhagya is what they say at the end.
I probably haven't seen Riya in like 2 years.
What did you learn after?
Thank hands.
Every year I come in December, but I'm so glad I made such a big impression.
Clearly, we did not discuss the dress code because everybody is in a different vibe. It's like sexy here.
What do you call it? Sexy Sharon means corporate slave.
Hot. But clearly, no dress code to discuss.
Yep. Love it.
It's giving teachers for different kinds. Guys,
How's he doing?
they are dancing. I took a break to eat. As per usual, the food is banging.
You're traumatizing that couple. I have no problem.
Gosh, everything got recorded.
Please stop this one.
This is the boys' dance.
Yeah.
And only one boy has showed up for dance.
The boys showed up. Doesn't matter. That's it.
What are your thoughts on this boys' dance that you are joining halfway through?
I'm joining halfway through.
Yeah. Which dance do you think is going to be the best dance out of all?
My boys' dance is going to be the best.
Even better than mine and Sanya's, only
Even
us two.
better.
Arre!
You're going to also say so.
He's such a loser. Like, this is, I'm giving you real time that our dance is going to be way better than
Boys'
theirs.
dance will be best.
Impossible. Mine and Sanya's like 100 times better.
I'm telling you.
Let's ask the choreographer.
Okay.
Whose dance is the best? Sanu and Tattu's. Yeah! Look at Praja.
He's moonwalking in reverse.
Bahu is here. Oh. Jali Sasural. We just got done. Now,
Finally.
Finally, it's like what? It's like it's 12, and we're heading home.
This is everyday dance practice schedule getting done at 12 and then you're heading back. My favorite is still Sanu and Tattu's dance. It's still
Exactly.
number one. It's elite. It's elite.
we are number one.
No, you are not even in the top 3.
Unfortunately, we are
Top three, top three.
Musi, what are your thoughts on all the dances and all the
I
practices?
just hope I can remember my step. I have no thoughts about other dances.
I have reached home and I changed into my night suit. Now it's time to sleep and I'm so tired. But I've had such a good long day. This has been such a good fun day. The makeup removing is happening. It actually feels so good to take makeup off at the end of the day.
Tanisha, of course, forgot to record her outro, so I'm going to try to get this right. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Press the bell icon for Shagun. She will see you guys next time for more Musty Maja scenes. Bye! Lots of love.